Is farmhouse interior design out of style? This is one of the funny questions that I get when I tell people that I'm an interior designer. And my response is usually, do you live on a farm? Okay, I don't mean that totally literally, but what I do mean is that the interior design of a house should complement the architecture and the environment that the house is in. I think that what is out of style and what people are tired of are symbols of farmhouses that are like mass produced and slapped on track homes. And the reason why people get tired of these type of things is because they're inauthentic. But the roots of farmhouse style design in the United States come from early American colonial homes. These homes were symmetrical in shape. They had a steep pitched roof. They were made of simple regional type materials, and the homes made sense for their use, for their location, and for their time. And that's what still makes them beautiful today. And of course, a modern version of a farmhouse could still be beautiful today. I would just ask, are the elements in the house truly gathered from the farm community around the house, or are they mass produced to look like they came from a farm community? To me, that's what the difference is. Interior design of any style that comes from a place of integrity and it relates to its location and its architecture will never go out of style. Peace, love, and good design.